Changing oil, hybrid Toyota. Hey, changing hybrid Toyota.
Ain't going nowhere, I don't think.
Looks good.
Like about a 15, I guess. Pan. Alright, if I can change oil in this turd. Hope I don't get down on my slab. I ain't gonna like that. Alright, let me see what size this fucker is. Is that it? Yeah, there it is already.
That was quick finding.
Alright now, goddammit, I don't want to get all my oil everywhere. Oh shit, what happened here? It's got tight on me already. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Tight, loose, tight, loose, tight, loose.
There you go, baby. There it is, there it is.
Oh shit, bolt fell in there. And I can't turn over, I need it to get. Oh shit, I'll wait till I get empty. Yeah, what? Hey, grab me that other bucket too, Mom.
Oil change for hybrid Toyota.
Yay!
2014. Put the nut back. Cover it. Drink it, drink it, drink it, drink it.
He goes and checks to make sure it's full too, it's clean.
Is it good now?
Oh yeah, you make sure I check it.
No loosen screws. Hybrid sounds now. Yes! Yes!